In other words, I can say have form verbs only. Okay, in class 4 you will be reading like have family, and in class 5 you will be reading this in the name of have form verb only. Okay, so what is have form or have family verbs, and where can we use, and what is the use of have family? Okay, let's learn one by one. So let me give you the meaning for have first. Okay, what do you understand by the word have? Yes, have means in Tamil I can say vachirukkirathu, irukkirathu. Okay, irukkirathu, vachirukkirathu, kolgirathu. So that words are the words refer to the have only. Okay, in English for all these words like vachirukkirathu, iva kondirukanga. Okay, so for all these words in English we used to say with the help of this word have only. Okay, so in the previous video I have already told you when every have family, every auxiliary verbs or helping verbs are the two times, right? That is present time and past time. Okay, so first have family or have form verbs are contains three verbs, and what are they? That is has, have and had. I repeat again, has, have and had are the have family verbs or have form verbs. So these three verbs are referred to the have family. Okay, and if you have already studied in class 3 the uses of has, have or had, means it will be very easy for you, or else you can watch the previous video in which I have explained about the uses of has or have or had in a sentence only. Okay, and still again I am going to tell you in short only. Okay, so where do we use the word have or has or had? So when we are talking about the suffering, if we are suffering from any disease, or if we are drinking, if we are having the food or drink, right? So for those places we can use have. Okay, I am just talking about only have only, because all the other words it's talk about the same meaning only. Okay, so have can be used to talk about the what you have owned. Okay, I have 2 pencils, I have 3 pencils. So when we are talking about the things which we have owned, that we can use have to show what we owned. Okay, and also when we are talking about the food items, or drink, or about the fixed program, we can use the word have in a sentence like I have coffee in this room. Okay, or else I had coffee yesterday. Okay, and I have a meeting with my friends. So here for these places we can use the verb have only. Okay, now already I said how many verbs refer to the have family? Yes, has, have and had. Okay, now let's learn where can we use the verbs has, have and had. Okay, so has and have are the present time verb, and had is the past time verb. Again I am telling you, has and have are the present time verb, and had is the past time verb. Okay, what do you understand by the word present? Yes, present time means the thing, the action which is happening now, it talks about the present. Okay, the action which is already completed means that is the past time. So when we are talking about the present time, we need to use has or have, and when we are talking about the past time, that we need to use had. Okay, so now let's learn where can we use has. To what are the subject we need to use has in a sentence. So has can be used after the subject, that is he, she, it, or to the singular noun. Okay, he, she, it, or to the singular nouns we can use has. Like he has a pen. Okay, he has a pen. She has a pen. It has a house. So when we are talking about the singular noun, there we can use has. Okay, and remember that this have family verbs also can be act as the main verbs. Okay, it also comes with the main verbs, and also by itself it act as the main verb. Okay, so he has a pen, she has a pet. So when we are talking about the singular noun, any single name like Ramya, Priya, Rohan, Rohit, for those single person we can use has. Okay, when we are talking about two persons or to the subject I, for the subject I, when you are using have family verb, you have to always use have only for the present time. Okay, so I have, we have, you have, they have. I repeat, I have, we have, you have, they have. And also to the plural nouns we can use have only. Okay, like Ramya and Rohit have pets. Okay, Ramya and Rohit have many pets with them. Okay, or Sheila and Mary have a beautiful house. Clear? So when we are talking about the plural noun, then we can use the verb have for the present time, not to the past time. So only to the present time we need to use has for the singular noun and have for the plural noun. Okay, remember? Now let me ask you again. Has can be used to the subject. Like what are the subject we need to use has? Yes, we can use as to the subject like he, she, it, and also to the singular names or singular nouns. And what about have? Yes, have is the present time verb and it can be used with the subject like I, we, you, they, and also to the plural nouns. Okay, now what about had? Yes, you can see I have written any subject like singular or plural. It means for writing, whenever you are going to use had for the present time action, no, there you don't need to get the subject, you don't need to concentrate on the subject, because to the any subject we can use had in the past time. Okay, when we are talking about the past time event and we are talking about any singular noun or plural noun, that doesn't matter. If we are talking about the past time event, then we can use had to any subject. Okay, for using had it is very easy. Whether if you are talking about the subject it in the past event, you can use had. Suppose if you are talking about the subject we and you are talking in the past time, means you can use had. So had can be used to any subject. It can be used to any subject, whether it may be a singular or plural. So when you are always, whenever you are talking about the past time event for the with the usage of have family, you have to use had only. So had can be used to any subject, but only for the past time event. Only for the past time event only. Okay, children. So let's recall again. Had can be used to the any subject, but it can talk only about the past time. What about have? Yes, have is the present time verb and it can be used only to the subject. It can be used only to the subject. Only these subject only we can use have. So what are the subject? That is I, we, you, they, and also to the plural nouns we can use have for the present time event. And also has is also the present time event, but it can be used only to the subjects only. What are the subject it is? That is he, she, it, and also to the singular nouns. Clear, children? Okay, I hope you are clear with this definition, that is where can be used, which for what are the subject we can use it. Okay, now let's do one example so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so I have written 3 examples. First, in this sentence we need to find out whether they are talking about the present time event or past time event. Okay, once you find out the time of the action, then you have to check the subject. What is subjects? Yes, subjects appear in the first word of a sentence. In a sentence, the first word is the subject only. So this all will comes in the first word of a sentence only. So first you have to find the time of the action, whether it is a present or past. If it is a present, if you find out the time of the action, then you have to check the subject. Okay, what are the subject? Then if you find out the subject, then you can check with this clue. Okay, so if it is a subject it, means for it present then we need to use has. Okay, suppose it the subject is the it and it talk about the past time, means we need to use had only. Okay, so let's do it. First example, he dash eaten all the fruits. He dash eaten all the fruits. Here the verb, main verb is eaten. Okay, eaten. So here he dash eaten all the fruit. It means so அவன் வந்து எல்லா பழத்தையும் சாப்பிட்டுட்டான். That is the Tamil meaning. Okay, சாப்பிட்டுட்டான். So சாப்பிட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறான் also we can say. So it's talk about the present time only. How, ma'am? Because we can't find out any yesterday or an hour ago, any past time words also. See, we can see last week or last night, so that we can understand that they are talking about the past time. If they are not using any past time words, then it directly talk about the what? Present time only. So now after finding the time of the action, we have find the time of the action for the first example. What is it? Yes, it's talk about the present time event. And now you have to check the subject. So the subject is he. So for he, what is the present verb for he? Can you find he here? Yes, he. For the he, present time will be has. Then the answer will be has only. He has eaten all the fruits. And remember that when the have family comes with the main verb use the past participle form only. That you will learn in your after finishing this video. We will be learning later only, okay? So when you are going to learn about the tenses, no, there you are going to learn the past participle forms only, okay? But remember that when we are using has after the main verb as a helping verb, then the main verb will act as a past participle form only, okay? So let's learn the second example. They dash many pets. They dash many pets. You can see here we can't find out any main verbs, right? Any main verb. Main verbs means action words. Can you find any main verbs here? No, they many pets. There is no main verb. So here only the have family is going to act as the main verb only, okay? So have family can also act as helping verb and also the main verb, okay? So here it is going to act as main verb only. So here we have now we need to find out the time of the action, okay? So they dash many pets. Here we can't find out the past time words like yesterday or yesterday or last time, nothing, right? And year ago, nothing. They didn't mention any time, right? So they didn't mention any past time. So it directly talks about the present time only. So they dash many pets means they are talking about the present. Now we need to check the subject. The subject here it is they only. So what is the subject here? They. So for they, what is the present verb? What is the present have family? Can you find out they here? Here I can't find they. Can you find here they? Yes, here it is. So for they, present time verb will be have only. So here the answer will be like have. They have many pets means what? அவங்ககிட்ட நிறைய pets இருக்கு. So here the have act as the main verb. இருக்கு, right? We are talking about the main. We are talking as a main verb only. They have many pets. Okay. Now let's read out the last example. Soumya and Priya dash lunch yesterday. Soumya and Priya dash lunch yesterday. So here we can see the time, right? That is yesterday. Yesterday means the action already completed. It is the past time only. And you can check the subject now. Soumya and Priya, two person. I already said if you find the sentence talk about the past time, without checking the subject, we can directly use the verb had only. See, any subject we can use had only. So the answer will be what? Had. Soumya and Priya had lunch yesterday. Soumyaவும் Priyaவும் நேத்திக்கு வந்து lunch சாப்பிட்டாங்க. They may be together or alone. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this video, children. So what are the verbs we have learned in the have family? Yes, that is has, have and had. Here what are the present time verb? Has and have are the present time verb. I repeat again. Has and have are the present time verb. And what is the past time verb here? Yes, had is the past time verb. Had is the past time verb. And has can be used to the subject he, she, it and to the singular nouns. And have can be used only to the subject I, we, you, they and to the plural nouns. Okay. And these two talks about only the present time. And what about the past time? Past time verb is the had and it can be applied to any subject, whether it may be a singular or the plural. So children, I hope you are clear with this video. I'll see you in the next video by doing the exercise on have family. Thank you.